Grilled pork wrap with wild betal leaf. Grilled pork wrapped with wild betal is so delicious that you can't stop eating it. Grilled pork wrapped with wild betal leaf is a Vietnamese food that has a combination of grilled pork and aromatic smell of wild betal leaf. It is Vietnamese food lovers' favorite dish. For the Herbs Idea channel. Every dish that is recommended for the audience to try, aside from being delicious, we also emphasize the benefits of the nutrients you are going to get to. We emphasize the value of nutrients and medical benefits contained in vegetables and herbs from nature to help balancing the body system, strengthen the immune deficiency, restoring various degenerative systems. Okay, let's see the ingredients of this menu. 400 grams pork strip. 1 lemongrass stalk, pale part only finely chopped. 5 coriander roots, roughly chopped. 7 garlic cloves, roughly chopped. 1 teaspoon black peppercorn. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder or 3 sliced of fresh turmeric. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 30 to 40 pieces of wild betal leaves. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 10 to 15 pieces of bamboo stick. Instructions. Step 1. Use a mortar and pestle to pound the black peppercorn, lemongrass, coriander root, garlic and turmeric to a rough paste. Step 2. In a large bowl, combine the pork strip, paste mixture, oyster sauce and soy sauce, mixed well. Step 3. Wrap marinated pork with wild betal leaves and skewer the wrapped pork strip, using 3 to 4 pieces per skewer. Put a grilling pan on medium-low heat. Grease a grilling pan with vegetable oil, then put the skewer onto a pan cooking for 20 minutes, turning halfway or until it is fully cooked. Step 4. Put grilled pork on a serving plate. Noted, another cooking method. Grilling in an oven, grill at medium-high heat and cook for 25 minutes, turning halfway, or until cooked through. If skewer starts to char or brown too quickly, turn oven grill down. Baking in oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 25 minutes, turning halfway, or until cooked through. Grilled pork wrapped with wild betal leaf is considered a food that helps strengthen the body's balance and immunity system. High nutritional value, low calorie, suitable for all ages who love healthy food and those who control weight. If you are looking for a menu of this type, recommend you to try it. Let's look at the medical benefits of this dish. Pork. Pork is rich in protein and a source of other nutrients such as vitamin B1, which helps reducing beriberi and maintaining healthy vision accordingly. Lemongrass. Lemongrass helps in appetite. Lemongrass extract helps to prevent colon cancer. Coriander root. Coriander root helps to nourish and maintain eyesight. Garlic. Garlic helps strengthen the immune system, balance the body system, reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels, nourish the skin to be healthy and strong, and helps to solve dizziness, headache, tinnitus. Black pepper. Black pepper prevents cancer, digestive aid, reduces cough, helps weight loss. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. Turmeric contains antioxidants which help anti-aging, reduce wrinkles, boost the body's immunity, strengthen the skin immune system. Wild betal leaf. Wild betal leaf contains antioxidant, high amounts of beta-carotene, which help maintaining healthy vision, inhibiting and reducing the growth of cancer cells. Oyster sauce. Oyster sauce has a high nutritional value, especially vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin C, vitamin D, iron, copper, iodine, zinc, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, manganese, etc. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, soy, lowers cholesterol levels, prevent mass bone loss and providing omega-3 fatty acids. After knowing all benefits, you would like to cook it, right? See you next EP. Let food be the medicine, let medicine be the food. If you like what we offer, please click subscribe and share to our channel. Thank you.